I'm sure that you worked it all out by now, but let's just discuss the processes that create vertical density stratification. What I mean is light water over heavier water. How do you get this? So one direct answer would be, yeah, just something that heats up the surface layer, surface mix layer. Like in air heat flux. Yeah, you have a positive heat flux that heats up the surface layer. Okay? In addition to that, or alternatively, you can also just have a process that lowers the salinity. Okay, an excess of precipitation, okay, can change, or you have continental runoff, river plumes. Okay, the continental runoff of low salinity water. Okay. In some cases, you also create stratification if you inject heavier water in the bottom layer. Okay. I also want to show you here in this little sketch a mechanism that actually does not create stratification, but it modifies the stratification. You can actually have the layering of water between other water masses. You have laterally from the side comes the injection of a water mass, which has a density just between an upper layer and a lower layer, okay, and which spreads along in so-called equilibrium density horizon in the ocean interior. Okay, this one does not create stratification because the stratification already exists, but it modifies the stratification. Okay. Convection is a mechanism that destroys stratification. And you can have a steering mechanism by wind, for example, that is a mechanical steering. Okay, or you can, in some cases, you can have dynamic instabilities that destroy stratification. And convection through cooling of the surface layer, for example, or you have mechanism that can increase the salinity of surface layers. Okay, but what's shown here is the processes that create vertical density stratification.